What's up, guys? Welcome to paddling your kayak at low tide. I'm your host, Chris. I've got my buddy Nate back there, and we're gonna try to catch some fish out here today. So, as you can see, that tide is super low right now. It's coming in though, so we're kind of at the lowest point we're gonna see it at today. Was doing pretty good on snook last couple times I was out here. Had a 27.5 incher. So if you guys want to see that video, feel free to check that out. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's get it going. Here we go. This is gonna be the one. I'll wait for him to really eat it though. You see my line keeps slacking up, but the current's actually going in the other direction, so it's gotta be a fish. There we go. So that's gonna be our first fish of the day. Little trout. He's not bad. Got a little speckled trout here. Not very big, but it's something. Yeah, speckled trout. It's a smaller guy, probably about 13 inches or so, but we're gonna send him on his way. See you later. So far, no sign of reds or snook. Hopefully with the tide moving in, we'll see those guys start to show up. And looks like another trout. Is that a trout? Yep. Speckled trout number 2. Hook got him right in the corner. Pop this guy back in the water. Getting the trout just back here, dude. Then Nate just caught himself a little red. And you got him on a fiddler crab, right? Yeah, the reds will eat him too. There we go. There we go. Red. Little red. Probably. Double spot tail?
I don't know.
You had a single spotter?
Yeah.
We got him on the shrimp. We switched to shrimp from the fiddlers. And this guy's a 2 spotter. He is twitchy. But yeah, he's got 2 spots identical on each side. And he took the shrimp, and we'll let him keep that shrimp. There you go, buddy. And we'll send him back. There's little reds down there. The question is there big reds down there? All right, so after making a couple of stops, this is where me and Nate Dog have ended up. So the docks have been pretty slow and unproductive. The flats just produced a couple little trout. Got a couple little redfish on the docks too, but we're hoping there's gonna be some fish stacked in this deeper water here. You get reds, sheepshead, and trout that tend to stack up in here. And so that's what we're kind of banking on now. Yeah, so Nate's up with some over there. What you got? Little trout. Cool. No, they gotta be 15.
Oh, yeah, definitely not 15.
No, he's like probably 13. So Nate's up again with something. What you got, Nate? Little red? Trout. Another trout. You're the trout master today, bro. There we go. I wish. Another red. Single spot on one side, 2 spots on the other side. So another little tiny guy. Feels pretty good. It's a red. I was hoping it was gonna be a sheep, and just all these little reds eating up the fiddler crabs. You know, I wasn't really seeing any sheepies around the docks either, so I think they just haven't really moved into this area quite yet. You know, you just gotta test the waters. The only way you'll know, but can't really complain about catching reds. I mean, they're not catfish or ladyfish. Not that there's anything wrong with bending the rod, but a little redfish there. We'll send him on his way. I'm gonna catch whatever's been stealing my fiddlers. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, either it doesn't feel very big or it's swimming towards me. Oh, dude, it's a sheepshead. He's not very big, but that's our targeted species. He is small. So they are around here, Nate. Sheeps that are down there. This guy's freaking tiny, but that's we're out here trying to catch. They gotta be 12 inches. That guy's probably like 8 inches. I think Nate's got a snook there. Hey bro, that's the first snook of the day. Good job, dude. That's a snook, right? I don't have my sunglasses on. They gotta be 28.
Maybe close.
Oh man, that's gonna be awesome, bro. If you just caught a slot snook, man, that's epic. You're gonna be my hero for the day, bro. So what we may be looking at is Nate's first slot snook. 23. Jesus, thought he was a lot bigger. I don't have my sunglasses on because I'm trying to remove my raccoon eyes. Yeah, he has to be a lot bigger than that. Oh, dude, that is your inshore slam. Shit, Nate got his slam. I need a snook now. I need my slam. Where's my slam at? Where'd you catch him, Nate? Did you just get him right in the middle? Nice. I want one. I'm gonna stop using these fiddler crabs. I'm not even getting freaking bites anymore. That was a good fight, right? Hey man, show me your thumbs though. Where are your thumbs at, man? I don't want any funny business. No P. Diddy shit going on over there. Is that baby oil I see over there, man? What are you doing? Bro, why are you putting baby oil on the snook, bro? Where them thumbs at? Show me them thumbs, bro. Rig for today is pretty much the same as usual. Just a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, 1/0 Mutu circle hook, tied directly to the braid with a modified Albright. A little split shot on there. Tail hooking these shrimp, drifting them back in this deeper hole. Tide's still coming in. It's a little bit kind of weird day. Wind working against the current. Current's coming in, tide's coming in, wind's blowing this other way, so kind of leaves you anchored all funny. It's a little troutster. He's a little feller. All right, skinny trout. See ya. What you got now, Nate? Good one? Oh, dude, that's gotta be a good one unless your drag's super loose. Now Nate has a sheep's head. Here's drag peeling off over there. How big?
13.
Oh, nice. So Nate got a keeper sheep 13 inches. So he'll be bringing home Din Din for his fam. While I'm over here, I'm gonna be eating ramen noodles. Hopefully we can get some sizable stuff. I mean, everything I've gotten is just smaller reds, smaller trout, things like that. Here we go. And we got our redfish. He's actually a better sized redfish than the other ones we've been catching. I don't think he's quite there, but it's definitely the biggest of the day. Triple red. It's got some interesting spots on him. Oh, and you're not gonna see it because he just plopped right out. This guy hit it like a ton of bricks. Guess I'm probably gonna be another red. Oh, a trout. We'll get a measure on him though, just to be sure. I'm not sure if he's gonna cut it. No, yeah, he's about 14. He'll shut his jaw. He's close, he's almost 15, but yeah, we'll send this guy back on his way. Little trout, see ya. Man, butterfingers today. 14.5-inch trout, Nate. 14.5. He was almost there. I almost had a taco. Pretty eclectic hole here. Got a trout, reds, snook, sheep's head. A little bit of everything here. With something here. Oh, something swimming with him. More than one red? I don't even know what this is. Oh, jacks, that's what it is. Oh, popped right off. There was another species there, Jack Crevalle, bro. Bit up. Here we go. All right, what we got? Red City. Yeah, Red City. Yeah, they're getting there.
Alright, 7 more sheep's head.
I know. You're almost there, bro. Just keep trucking. Another redfish there. Man, I'm just crushing these baby redfish, dude. Yeah, so Nate's on with the fish. I can't tell if he's good sized or not.
I think it's a red.
Oh yeah, that looks like a good size red. Yeah, and so I got broke off over here to the right, so there's definitely some good sized fish moving in here. And so I'm having to retie everything, unfortunately. And just around that same time I broke off, Nate got that red, so there might be a big school that was moving through. Nice. That looks like a good sized fish right there, man. Man, Nate is crushing it today. He's getting the snook, getting the sheepies. He's got his inshore slam already. Now he's just rubbing it in my face. As soon as I said that, I end up on a fish. Funny. Okay, a little bit better. A little bit of a better red. Got some nice copper toning on him. Oh, he's not ready. He ain't ready. He's not ready. Just have to drag a little bit. He's a tough fighter. I think I might have finally gotten my taco too, Nate. This guy's not even like very long. He's just thick, man. He's got some shoulders on him for being a kind of smaller red.
26.5.
26? Dude, he was almost too big. Because the slot's 27 on him. Yeah. You caught a top of the slot red. I caught a kind of towards the bottom of the slot red. This guy is probably about 20-ish. Yeah, you said he's 26 and a half? Yeah, they can't be bigger than 27. Yeah. Oh, and this guy barely makes the cut. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this guy go, this red here. He's keeper size, he's 19, but I do want something bigger or just go home with nothing, honestly. So, I mean, these guys eat perfectly fine, but we'll send him on his way. He's got a few more years and he'll be a future stud. So, oh, he is feisty and ready to go. All right, cool. So that's the biggest red for me for the day. And then Mr. Nate Dog just got his PB red at 26.5 inches. So a round of applause for Mr. Nate. Crushing it today. Nate, you're crushing it today, bro. What kind of angling tips you got, man? What'd you eat for breakfast this morning, bro? Nothing. So that's it. Breakfast of champions, guys. Nothing. No breakfast is the breakfast of champions. But the bite is just insane on this little cut here. You got the tide moving one way, wind blowing another, just right here between these two islands, and these fish are just stacking up. I mean, bites really quick on most every drop so far. A trout, possibly. Either a trout or a little red. Might be a little red the way he's diving down like that. Yeah, a little red. Up again with a little fella of some kind. Oh, it's a sheep's head. Oh. Whoa, almost got hooked. But yeah, it was a little sheep's head. He was probably like 10 inches. He wasn't very big. All right, guys, we are on the move. We're gonna look for some bait, or we're gonna look for a good spot to kind of hop out of the kayak so I can throw the bait net. Try to get some little pins, maybe some greenies and things like that. Or even finger mullet would probably be ideal. Like, you got redfish just cruising the flats over here. All right, so I think this is about as good of a spot as any. Saw a few little creek chubs back here, so we can always throw on those guys if we don't find anything. But I've seen a few greenies on the way over here. Yeah, I see some bait flipping around over here. Oh. Be surprised if we don't get something in that throw. Oh yeah, definitely got some stuff here. I don't know what it is. Good little variety platter. Looks like a lot of little chubs and pinfish. Okay, yeah, looks like all kinds of creek chubs. Got a couple of pins in there too, I saw. All right, we're fully baited up now. We got greenbacks, pinfish, creek chubs, you name it. We're gonna see if the reds are still here. Nate said he hadn't caught anything since I left, so we'll see if that's the case. And they probably moved into the flats more too, because the tide's kind of reaching its peak here. So we'll throw a greenie for starters. Oh, there we go. Trout. Ooh, splashy. That's a pretty good trout. He's got some weight to him. That might be my taco. So it might have trout tacos. Oh yeah, see the hook popped off. That's why we net these better trout. So they gotta be 15. This guy probably be right there. He's pretty fat for his size. All right, cool. So might be the first keeper trout of the day. Oh yeah, 18-inch trout. Put them in the bag. So they're down there. That was on the first greenback I threw. All right, guys, say bye to Nate. He's tapping out. Yep. I'm gonna keep it going. I still got plenty of live bait, and I want to do some exploring too and check out some of these areas. Tide's about to be high right now, so I still need my slot red. I threw that 19-incher back, but I do want something a little bit bigger. Nate's a happy camper because he's got a big old 26.5-inch red, which is like just a hair below the legal max limit. So he's good to go, but I definitely want to get my fix. So we're gonna take his fiddlers off his hands. I'm gonna take back the live bait that I caught. You got it, bro. You forgot your GoPro, and look what happens, man. Just stop bringing that thing, man. I'll just turn my channel into your channel, bro. It'll just be called Fishing with Nate. What would it be called? All right, brother. All right, man. I'll catch you on the flip. You're gonna be good loading up all your stuff and all that. It's that way, by the way. Be easy, stay greasy. Catch on the fleazy. That's it's gonna be a wrap for us today. So did pretty good on the just fish in general. I mean, tons of reds, little trout, things like that. Got one 18-incher. Nate's the one who slayed it today, though, man. That guy crushed it. Inshore slam, sheep's head, coming home with a 26.5-inch red. I mean, that's about as big as it gets. You can keep before it's, you know, max limit. So good on him, man. He just smashed it today. Got a pretty decent snook too. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. If you got any questions, leave those down below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.